Hey guys, Eric here. It's mid-January, Saturday. Is it Saturday?
Yeah.
Is it Sunday? This is my son Nate.
Hi.
We're gonna head out into the woods and start building our bushcraft shelter. Hopefully get a little bit of rain done, and we got ourselves some lunch to cook. So we're gonna get a fire going and get a little work done today. There's a storm coming in with some freezing rain, mixed precipitation, stuff like that. So we're not going to stay out long if that starts up, but so far so good. We're looking good. It's a little misty, but we're going to take the dogs. We're raring to go. And get up to the little site and see what we can't put together for today. Right?
Yep.
All right. I'll check in with you guys in a minute. Little widow maker.
What?
A little widow maker.
Yeah, one. She's got this massive widowmaker.
Yeah.
It was just hanging down in the middle of the yard. And there's a bunch of little sticks below it, and it was huge. It crushed like all four of us.
So we just came across an interesting track in the snow. Not really sure what it is, but we definitely know that there's been some other people hiking up here because we're following some footsteps. But we came across this, a bit of a slide mark, and it goes down the hill
About
and then
75-degree angle into the woods.
And then it goes over there. So it's kind of cool. Not really sure what it was. I'm kind of guessing a beaver, but there's no water bodies up here on the hill that we're on. So, but it looks pretty big. So, I don't know. I'll have to look that up when we get home.
The track now.
And the dog's just ruined it for us. That's okay.
He's got spit on
Ew, he's got spit. He's a dirty dog. Right, Mutta? Right, Mutter? Look at him. Cools himself down right like that. Isn't he cute? All right, we're about 3/4 of the way to camp. It's a beautiful day. We're all warmed up now, and which is good because Knucklehead here forgot his gloves. And when I say I meant me. Worried about what the kid was forgetting, and I forgot my gloves. That'll kill me. Ooh, there's a lake. Hi, Lake.
Hi, Lake.
Hi, Nate.
Hi, camera.
Hi. Hello, Lake. That's YouTube right there. Right there, YouTube. Look at that. Oh, it's massive. It's like on the interwebs. All right, we're gonna hike on and get there. Talk to you soon. Well, let's get into camp. Fireback's still standing. Bed's still there. The wood I gathered for firewood is still here, so we don't have to do much of that to get something going. And everything's snowy. Lake's down there in the distance. Huh. Yeah. All right. Ready to get to work?
Get to it.
Okay, so for this little day trip, I obviously got a little day pack with me. This is the one that wifey got me. No, I'm sorry, she didn't get this for me. My daughter got it for me last Christmas. And it's pretty cool. It's insulated on the inside, so like things don't get wet. If it gets wet, if it's raining, it actually has a rain fly if I'm actually hiking out in the rain. And you know, it fits a good amount of stuff for a little day hike, so I'm calling the dogs in. Come on, boys! Gotta keep an eye on them, they take right off. Anyway, what we brought today was like lemongrass water. I'm on a cleanse. And we got one pad to sit on once we get the bench cleaned off, which Nate's working on over there. He's gonna get the fire pit cleaned out, the bed cleaned off, try to clean up all this area right here so we can start building off of the back of these two trees and get our lean-to going so we can have a nice place to come and not have to shovel anymore. It should be cool. So gonna get all the gear out and just start looking for a good cross piece for between these two trees right here. And right from there over there. This is all firewood that I saved before to cut up and use today, actually. So we're gonna do that and work for a little bit and try to video as much as we can, try to show you progress, but not gonna waste your time with lugging stuff around and everything. So, but stay tuned. Be right back. You're swinging at yourself. Alright, so we found some good down stuff. We're going to get a beam put across. Nate's going to collect as much firewood as we can. And look at that widowmaker hanging up there, everyone. Yeehaw. It's a squirrel's highline right there. Yep. So, working. Alright, so we got our fire going. Just to come over and warm up. We found a nice beam that we're cutting right now. We've already measured it to our two trees. Nate's practicing his sawing right now. The dogs are over there wrestling. It's a little breezy at times and a little chillier than I expected, but as long as you keep moving around, it's pretty good. You
forgot gloves.
I know, I forgot gloves. The guy, you know. Don't listen to me, folks. Do as I say, not as I do. Right? Anyway, so we're gonna get this beam cut and then hopefully get it hung. We might even get a post underneath one side that kind of hoping that there's enough left over on the beam to create a post for support underneath. Sister that right to the tree, and we'll start cooking our lunch, which we brought with us. So that'll be yummy. Meat and onions. All right, we'll check in as we make some progress. You making progress?
Yeah, totally.
Totally?
Yeah.
Like, today we're gonna finish?
Shut up.
All right, we'll check in with you guys in a bit. Quick update, just went to the pack to get some paracord and I did bring my gloves. Hey, what can I say? Idiot. Hey, so guys, I've been watching videos and stuff, and I figured out why guys film themselves sawing all the time. It just makes for a longer video. And it gives you a sense of how long it takes to do this stuff, I think. Anyway, this is me sawing. Timber. Watch your face. Back up. Uh-oh. We got a hanger. All right. Now we do.
If we cut it like there.
Yeah, we can do our measurement, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we measured 4 saw lengths that we need for a post. So that'll help get this thing down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack, go. Pinchy. Alright, we're gonna use two hands to get this, so we're gonna stop filming so Nate can help me out. We'll get it down. Okay, so we've got a post on that side, we've got a post on this side. I'm gonna put the beam up, and then we're gonna tie that off the tree. We're gonna find out how good Nathan is with his eye for level. Because I held it up there earlier, and he said, yep, that looks level. We marked the tree, we measured it out, and called it good. So we're gonna see how it looks after this. Nathan looks nervous behind the camera. I don't know. Let's see. Looks pretty good, Nate. Good job. Alright. So yeah, we're going to tie this off and call it a day. Then we're going to cook up our lunch because Nate's starving. Alright. Alright, so we got some steak and onions over fire today. Cut these. We're going to do some nice thick sliced onion. So,
Smoke. Ain't my eye.
Get my food.
What?
Are you still recording?
Yeah, still recording.
That's gonna work.
Looking good.
We're just gonna keep feeding that.
Hey, Jax, get out of there. Go. Jax, go.
Trick to this is how you say? Make sure you do little videos. So the trick to camp with this is make sure that your flames don't reach up and start just charring your food. You want to keep the flames low by spreading out the fire some, and then just slowly but surely just keep feeding some of the stuff in. Keep it going. That'll be good. It's gonna be delicious. Going to love it. We worked hard. We're starving, and dinner or lunch is done. Yeah. All right. We're gonna put the phone down, camera down, eat. Then we're gonna put our fire out, and we're gonna hike out of here. We got things to do at home. We gotta bring firewood at home.
Yep.
Yeah. Gotta stay warm. Mixed bag of precipitation tonight. Not gonna be very pleasant outside, so we're gonna heat the house up good for wifey. And we're going to watch a classic movie, Grumpy Old Men. Grumpy Old Men Face?
What?
Grumpy Old Men Face. Were you guys good boys? You sit. Jax? Mutter? Attaboy. Is he good? Is he good? Enjoy. So needless to say, our lunch was delicious. And what lunch would be complete without a little ice cream sandwich in the middle of the woods? How'd you do that, you say? astronaut ice cream. Is it good?
Yeah.
Crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
Not creamy. But delicious. I only had a little taste, I promise. Alright, we're gonna put our fire out. We did succeed in our goal today. As you can see, we got the beam across. You can monkey bar right off of it if you want. I did. Nate almost freaked out and he's like, oh my god, I thought I was going to crash down, but I'm not that fat. Especially now. I want to cleanse for the new year. Dropping weight. Anyway, we're going to head out of here because it is starting to sprinkle a little bit, and before it starts to rain or do whatever it's going to do, we just don't want to be bothered. So, last look around the woods. Nate, thanks for coming out with me today. Appreciate all your help. Dogs, you were a pleasure to be around as always. Right, Mutter? Mutter. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.